No! Ah! I'm glitched. I glitched. What happened? Oh, I totally got demolished and I didn't even see it. Oh my god, I am so dead. Yeah, that's what you get, Jerry. That's what you get. Crashing into me. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for 27 subscribers. Oh my god, thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. Oh my god, that kill. Anyways, let's get straight into the video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll try and make more videos on this. So, oh my god, I just made you go flying, Jerry, and so I'm also playing with my brother. Say hi.
Oh yeah.
And my brother is the pro gamer, or what do you call it, the pro gamer yo. And he's made a YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll try to leave a link in the description. Oh my god, I just got totally wrecked right there.
Me too.
Oh my god.
Oh, I see you on the ground, but I didn't know.
Oh, he was flying! I glitched out for me, and then I just seen a car in the air. I was like, oh my god. Oh my god.
Just when I was gonna respawn, you guys smashed me. You guys demolished me.
Okay, at least I'm not coming last. Oh, pro game, yo, you killed the car puller? The bot. Okay, we're playing with 2 other bots. Fibby, Fibble, Tickle, Wibble, no. We were doing rap slapping when we were having dinner this morning. Oh, just before. Oh my god. Okay, let's get some distance. Well, this guy's trying to get me.
Guys, coming back.
Yeah!
Oh!
You know, I did get 42 points. And, oh shit. Oh, hey, what a recovery! I like hit a glimpse of that shit. Oh shit. No, please, bro, please. Oh, thanks, bro, thanks. Okay, Jerry, just crash straight into me. I'm dead. I was like, I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm so shocked. I'm just so impressed with you guys. Thank you so much for the support. I mean, like, oh my god, my cousin's calling me around. No. Oh, thank you, whoever.
Elijah, hit right into me.
Yeah! Oh, I'm still coming last though. Yeah! Jerry, you hit someone and someone hit me and we were like both being hit. Yeah! Oh, thanks for the boost. What did you do? Oh, dang. Oh, he like pushed me over. The carpool is coming first, no way. Oh, I just realized you spawned with full boost.
I know.
So like, I just realized. Okay, let's get some distance and smash right into you guys. So, yours! 3rd place. I haven't not been second yet.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no. Yeah! Please, Jerry, don't do this.
I'm getting demolished.
Yeah, I know, I can see that. Oh, I see that! Okay, I'll give it revenge. Come on, Jerry, I'm holding him here. Yeah! And he's getting away! Nah! You hit me. You hit like the whole of me and you didn't even hit him once. Let's go. Yeah! Dong. Oh, 2nd place! Thanks, Jerry. Yeah!
No, I didn't.
Bruh. Please don't hit me, please. Oh no. I was just like, uh-oh. And then someone just comes in and ran to the other side. Oh yes, I'm still second. And I got you, Jerry. I got you. You smashed me into place, like, straight. Oh no, I'm crashing quite a lot, but I'm actually 2nd place this time. Oh no! Oh You pushed me like straight into you. And then they just demolished me.
What?
Oh no, I'm third now.
No, I'm still
Get some
fourth.
Yeah! Oh, I just smashed into the car that I just
So
demolished
got.
you by.
Guys, this one.
Yeah! Oh!
I'm gonna get smashed into.
Oh shit, this is you, Jerry.
Really is Demi.
No, I seen you, but I'm now gonna be smashed by you. Thanks, Stu. Oh, well, you did, but like damage didn't even get taken. Oh, thanks for backing me up. I'm dead. I'm smoking bad. Well, my screen, I'm smoking bad. No! Ah, no! I was like, you killed me straight. Oh, at least I'm not coming last. I avenged you. Oh, the carpooler always wins. Okay, so
Level up to level 7.
we're gonna have a rematch again. What do you guys? I think this is gonna be the last round. You know.
So, how much money do you got?
Anyways, I'm just in shock. Thank you
are
guys
you
so
on level
much for 27 subscribers.
2?
I mean, we hit like that in like
Dude,
the past 10 minutes. What?
What level are you on? Because I'm on level 7.
Level 6.
Oh, can we change it to flag?
Yeah, let's change it to flag. So we're gonna have a game of flag hunt, guys. If you guys don't know what that is, you gotta smash other cars to get the flag. And if you don't smash them enough, you don't get the flag. So, guys, I'll just go host. Actually, we'll go like 5 minutes.
Join? No, can we do more, please?
Fine.
10. Yeah, come on.
Okay, we'll go Day. So, let's get straight into the game. So, it's EB, EBC, the game code. Thank you guys so much for 27 guys. Oh my god, I'm just so thrilled.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, Taika. Oh, yeah, Elijah, hurry up. Come on. Hey, Jerry, you gotta
EBC.
take that off, Jerry.
EBC?
Yeah, you gotta take that off.
Oh, how come?
You gotta go try to do because this one needs to go in charge.